Santa Cruz. Anytime now. And the race is on. Celestial from the outside. Diobjade Danori inside. Diobjade Celestial rushing up in between runners Bullseye. Angel Sky alongside by the Rals Go Marine Prince Verdi. While Siklug is the early trailer by about 6 or 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Bullseye by some 2 lengths. Diobjade Go Marine Celestial. Prince Purdy is racing in P from the outside. Angel Sky and Siklug. Rounding the far turn, Angel Sky, Go Marine. Diobjade is racing in third. Celestial, Prince Purdy alongside as they race the last 500. Go Marines, Bullseye, Diobjade on the outside. Celestial, Prince Purdy, Siklug, and Angel Sky. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Celestial on the outside, Go Marine, Bullseye, Diobjade in the middle, Angel Sky, Estelle, Bullseye, Celestial rushing up, moves up to take the lead, and finally Celestial, Bullseye, close, Angel Sky, Prince Worthy, Diobjade, Go Marines, and Siklug comes last.
Di hada na naman.